Hello friends, how are you doing? And in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy M52 Play Store not working or Play Store not downloading applications problem. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix Play Store problem in Samsung Galaxy M52 or M52 5G, simply first of all you just need to open settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. So hope so this will fix your problem.